Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser. In today's video, I will show you how to explore some of the new features and new tools in your Chrome browser. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead, come to the top right here, go ahead and click on these three dots right here, and the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you go ahead and click on Help and then click on what is new right here. So once you click on what is new, it will redirect you to a new web page whereby you can read details about new tools in Chrome browser. This is for desktop versions right here. You can now save PDF to your Google Drive directly from the web page. Then you can read Chrome page louder, and this is a new feature in Chrome for desktop. View two pages in one tab. This is another incredible. But in some cases, if you cannot have access to some of these new features, it's your Chrome browser to use the desktop. How do you do that? What you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on these three dots right here. Come down below right here and make sure you come down below right here and make sure you click on settings right here. And it's going to redirect you right here. Then come down below right here and then make sure you click on about Chrome. Then allow the updates to run completely, just like what you see right here. So once you update the latest version, as at the time of making this video, the version that will give you some of those features are 144.0.7.559.1.133, and this is for 64-bit Windows PC or whatever PC version. Whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, and the same way for everyone using it. Now let's just explore some of the features right here. Save PDF to your Google Drive. So let's explore the first features right here, PDF to your Google Drive. So what I'm going to do here is to go ahead and open a PDF file. So I have some PDF in my download folder right here. So I'm going to click on my download folder. So this particular PDF right here, so I'm going to open. So I will right click on it. Then next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on open, then open with Chrome, and it's going to load up right here. And then you can now see that you have your Google Drive icon right here, which allow you to save any PDF format into your Google Drive, just like what you see right here. You can see the other options here, which have read loud page. How do you have access to some of these features here? So you can see a simple tutorial right here that allow you to read loud a page. This has been assistant on Android and iPhone for a very long time. So how do you do it? Chrome can now read web page loud word on the page are highlighted to help you follow along. Read loud is best for content like stories, articles. You can click on play button and you start listening to everything on the web page. This is another tab right here which allow you to view into pages. So for that, you can right click on any of the tab right here. You see add tab tools in view. So you can see the options right here which allow you to use Chrome into different options. So we have one page right here and we have another page right here. It's that simple. So this is what I have for you as far as new features and incredible tools that are added to your Chrome browser. Explore and let me know what you find in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.